Hey, what are you doing?
Studying. What does it look like?
What are you studying?
Well, I'm trying to study about polar bonds, and it's just not making any sense because they're talking about covalent bonds and covalent bonds that are polar and non-polar and ionic bonds, and talking about water and how when it's a polar molecule, one side is positive and has a positive charge and one side has a negative charge, and it's like reading Greek. I don't get it. Like, I could be reading this upside down and it would make about as much sense. Like, who cares? I mean, why does it even matter?
Sometimes experience is the better teacher. Let's try an experiment.
Sure. Alright, so explain to me, what are we doing?
Okay, so we have our cup of water, which is our polar molecule, and we have our cup of oil, which is our non-polar, and we have a cup with a hole, and yeah. And then we have our comb, which is going to produce our electric charge. Can you comb your hair with it?
Sure. Okay.
Awesome. Alright, so our water. I'll put the comb next to the water.
Whoa, bends a stream of water. That's pretty amazing.
Now let's try with the oil. Alright. There. This is here. And let's do the same thing.
Nope, nothing.
Nothing. So, do you understand now?
Yeah, it makes a lot more sense. So basically, if this is a water molecule, that's the oxygen, and those are the hydrogen molecules. The oxygen steals the electrons from the hydrogen more of the time than the hydrogen has it. So that gives the hydrogen a positive charge, and the oxygen a negative charge. So it's kind of random when it's just the water, but then when you bring the comb into the equation, the comb had the negative charge. So all of the molecules of water reoriented themselves so that this side was the hydrogen had the positive and was attracted to the comb. So everything else is negative. And that's what bent the water, because it was attracted on this side to the comb.
Sound like a professional now.
Yeah, it definitely makes a lot more sense. And then I also realized with water, you can actually fill water past the rim of a cup and it doesn't spill over, and it's because of that electric charge. It makes it stick together. Certainly, like, whenever you experience something firsthand, it definitely makes a lot more sense.
Yeah, experience definitely is better.
Mm-hmm.